Hey, welcome to the Wood and Metal Shop. Today's project, I'm making a pen with a hybrid pen blank that I'm going to cast. I'm actually going to make two of them, and you have a chance to win one of them. And I'm doing this for a couple of reasons. One is to say thank you to all the subscribers that I have. To date, I have just over 7,100 subscribers, and I want to say thank you so much for subscribing. And two is I actually want more subscribers. The contest is you can win one of these if I get up to 7,500 subscribers. And when I reach that goal, I will give away one of two of the pens that I'm going to make. So you got to watch what I'm going to be making, and all the contest rules are at the end of the video, so watch till the end to find out how you can win it. Also, I have a couple of stickers that I got in the mail. First one is from Byers Woodworking. He's out of the United States and he has an Instagram, so I will post that link down below. Also, the other one is from the Grant Alexander. He's also a fellow YouTuber and Instagram and Facebook, and also a fellow Canadian. So I'm going to post his link down below as well, so go and check both of them out. They're really cool woodworkers. And I'm going to post both of those stickers on the board here pretty soon. So let's get on with this project. I'm going to be using my do-it-yourself silicone molds, and if you haven't seen this video, I will post a link just up above there on how you can actually make these. So I'm using some hickory pieces, just some random pieces. They have bark on them and they kind of look funky. So I'm going to just place them in here kind of like that and like that, just to, you know, kind of get some random pattern with the resin, and maybe like that. So I've got my resin here. I'm going to mix them together, and then I'm going to add them to these two cups, and I'm going to do one in red and one in azure blue. And hopefully I have enough. Maybe I'll be able to do a little bit of gold or white in it. So I'm going to start mixing this. Alright, I've got just a little bit left in this cup that I'm going to mix some gold in with it. And on these two, I'm going to mix some red. Okay, in this one, I'm going to put some blue. Close this up so I don't spill it. And then in the other one, I'm going to put some, it's not really gold, it's sandbar. It's kind of a gold color. So I'll put that pretty intense. And hopefully I can make that kind of like streak in there. Alright, so I think with this one, I'm going to pour some of the red in here. And then I'm just going to stick these in. Like that, and like that, and then because they're going to float, I will set that one aside, let it settle out. And then this one, kind of do the same thing. I'm going to dump that out. This time I'll put a little bit of Alright, into the pressure pot. I took the blanks out of the pressure pot and they both turned out pretty good. There's the red one and the blue one. Actually had enough to do a third one in red and blue, but I'm going to save this for another day. This is the one that I'm going to use today for the giveaway on YouTube, and I'm going to make a steampunk bolt action kit out of it. And this one I'm going to give away on Instagram, so stick around to the end of the video to find out how you can win one of these. Alright, well there is the blank. That turned out very well. Okay, let's put this thing together. So basically, I'm going to just start at the back end. Now, hold that in place. Well, put that in there. Now I want to line up as close as possible, like line up these screws here. Press that in a little bit. That looks pretty close. Now press this in gently because you don't want to do what it's doing right now and going in kind of crooked. There it goes. Yeah, that lined up. And there it is. That is one pretty sharp looking pen. There it is. Turned out really nice. And of course I'll post pictures at the end. So I want to mention a couple of things before I get onto the contest details, which I will also post everything down below as well. First of all is I'm calling this a maker's giveaway, and I'm doing that for a couple of reasons, which I'll tell you a little bit later. Second is I'm doing this all on my own. This is not sponsored at all. I'm doing this as a thank you to all my subscribers, plus to build up more subscribers and more views. So when I hit 7,500 subscribers, I will give away this pen, and I will do a video randomly picking someone in the video. So here's how you have a chance to win this pen. First of all is you must be a subscriber, and while you're at it, hit that notification bell for when I do another video. Give me a thumbs up. Also, please share this. Share it on Twitter and or Facebook. And the reason why I'm calling it a maker's giveaway is in the comment section, please comment as to why you like to make things and why you like to create things. Also, please leave me your Instagram handle. It's a way that I can contact you. And also while you're at it, follow me on Instagram because I'm also giving away another pen on Instagram for my followers there. May not be the same style of pen. I think I'm going to probably do something a little bit different. I haven't quite decided yet. So if you do all that, get me up to 7,500 subscribers, do all the things that I listed there, I will randomly pick someone and give away this pen. And that's about it. Also, if you want to get in on the sticker swap, go and contact me on Instagram as well. Plus I'll have all the details on Instagram as to how you can win another pen. So until the next time, take care.